Hey, good morning, guys. January 3rd, 2025. Just going to go through a quick focus list and thought process. So, Q's index is pretty choppy as of late, wide and loose action, as you can tell here since the FOMC meeting. We're gapping up once again this morning, and you can see the last few days we kind of gapped up, sold off. So, we'll see how we react today. The one thing that's kind of interesting is some of the stocks that are um, some of the stocks that are that I've been tracking pretty strong action under the hood. So that's something to kind of note. And I even like a bunch of setups for today potentially, but I want to keep my focus down, narrow it down to a few good names that I kind of want to get involved in. But again, my risk basis is still going to be 25 basis points. So let's take a look at a few names that I do like. First one is APP. APP still has this nice just kind of range here. I think we still need that 350 kind of breakout. I was buying it yesterday, but kind of got shaken out just because it's still within range. I want to make sure we kind of break out and stick. So APP, I'll watch that 350 break. Stops will probably be low of day or just under these moving averages. Give it a little bit room. So we'll take a look at that one. Next one is NVIDIA. This one's been holding up really well compared to some of the other tech names like Apple, Tesla, and we're right on these moving averages showing relative strength. So I'll probably be watching this um, on the 140 pivot, just somewhere in this area. I kind of want to watch it. Stops will probably be low of day or just under these moving averages. Keep it tight. I'll be playing it via NVDL, so keep an eye on that. PLTR, I do like this, how we didn't break. We were watching this trend. I was watching this trend here, and we cracked yesterday. It looked like we were going to crack, but we held that 20 days, so they definitely bought it back up. I want to watch this prior day's highs as a pivot, and you can probably risk low of prior day, or just under the MAs, or low of day today. So TWLO, I did take a little position yesterday, and I cut it very quick when it didn't push through these moving averages. I think we have a good pivot to work with. Basically, that 110 area would be the ideal level to kind of take it long, and probably risk yesterday's lows, which is just under these moving averages. Some other names that I do like, but I want to get it a bit tighter. ANF, I tried this yesterday through Tuesday's highs, and we kind of failed there. I think we need this bigger range to kind of break, so we may need that 150, or sorry, 160 level as a pivot there. So we'll keep an eye on that one. CRDO looks really good. Big range yesterday. Nice strength on it. We're gapping up a little bit. Again, on these kind of radar names, I would love a tight day, or a few tight days on this. So I think my focus is going to be these names, but I'll keep an eye on these. GEV still within this big range. Again, if this thing gets tighter, it looks good. Hood looks really good. Again, if we can get like an inside day or something quiet, would be really nice. Marvell looks really good. Um, nice tight action there. QFIN gapping up right now. I don't think there's much volume there, but I think this one might be gone. I'll probably avoid this one. And this QTUM Quantum ETF, super tight. One concern is a lot of these names look pretty extended, so I don't know if I really want to trade that ETF. So probably going to pass on that one. But I do like some of these names, like ANF has a big weekly chart. GEV has a very nice weekly chart. Um, Hood, very tight area. Again, if it gets tighter, probably better. But that's pretty much it. I do want to take a look at this. If you look at SMH, I think this one could be a big tail on the market. Super tight weekly here. We've been pretty much going nowhere in the last 6 months, probably since September. We've just kind of been grinding up and down. I think this thing could either break out or break down. Put an alert on here as well. I think if it breaks out, will be good for names like Nvidia, Marvell, a lot of the other semiconductor names. So, but if we do crack, I think it's going to be pretty bad for the overall market. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, gonna take it easy. Action has not been great. I'm being a little bit more nimble, cutting things quicker, just keeping my drawdown very, very small. Not trying to get into a big drawdown during a tough period. And I was looking back at my stats yesterday, and all my trades came in within a few months. The last 2 months were pretty good. So just gotta be patient for that environment. So again, just small pilot type of buys, 25 basis points risk before I start getting aggressive. I want to start saying things work. So that's pretty much it. We'll see you guys most likely tonight or on the weekend video.